This is a love reading for you, Pisces, for you and your partner for the month of from June to July. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Pisces, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, let us see how are the cards. So, who are you, Pisces, in the relationship, and who is your partner in the relationship? Let us see. You are someone who comes from a very difficult childhood or a very difficult life where you had to work for pretty much everything. The good part is you got it. So you got in everything. Also, age wise, I see that Pisces, you may be very, there may be a lot of age gap between you and your partner. So some of you may be dating or meeting someone or getting may have gotten married very late because how tough your life situation was. Your partner I'm seeing here is someone who's feeling a little bit under the weather. It's quite possible he or she was your student or was taking any mentorship under you. So I'm just saying is you're helping someone out and there is a love energy. So it could be somebody who was working under you. It's quite possible some of you may have married at workplace or you may have married someone you were just coaching and helping. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? In the strength, and I see is that Pisces, you feel that this connection is happily forever after with your partner, and you feel very connected and in love with this partner, and you're very happy. You truly believe that this connection was meant to be, and you're also glad that even if it took whatever time it took, it did work out so well. About the strength with your partner, he or she is very passionate and they will do as you tell them. So he or she is very obedient or very disciplined in the relationship. They are not fighting or arguing with you. Your partner is never really arguing or fighting with you about anything. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? Sometimes you feel your partner has mental blocks. He or she is not as exploring or experiencing or willing to go beyond as you would like to. So you feel your partner has a lot of mental blocks, uh, being with you, and he or she has a lot of ifs and buts. So while he or she is very obedient and listening, they have way too many close boundaries and are unwilling to let go. So that may be stopping a lot of love energy or emotional energy together. So how does your partner see you? Your partner feels no matter how much they do, you always walk away with some complaint. So while you feel so good about your partner and how beautiful the relationship is, you should express the same, Pisces. You don't want to keep complaining that often and not appreciate or admire that your partner feels that you're forever complaining. Now, what is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? Mm, your partner feels that maybe you were you're not the same person when they started dating you or knowing you. Your partner feels you have changed, and that changes a certain long-term equation they are thinking about with you. Um, you are thinking your partner is not as innocent and as naive as they came across when you met them. So I'm just saying is that this relationship has a lot of teething problems where the two of you met, the love blossomed, and now the two of you are hitting a certain phase where you're getting to know each other's weaknesses, you know, what is missing in either of the two of you, and then trying to grow with it. Now, what is the past you're coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So, the relationship was very beautiful, maybe a few months back, or even a month back, because I'm seeing is there's a promise of marriage, there's a very beautiful connection going. So, you both have had a very beautiful connection. Maybe you're working things out, thinking about the long term. So, you are in this relationship with the energy to get married, and your partner also is in this relationship with the energy to be happily forever after. Neither of you are looking outside, neither of you are unhappy. You're coming from this energy into this phase of relationship, and very easily you will be able to come out of it or work around it. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? It's a very winning union, and there's a lot of money in it. Both of you are going to enjoy a lot of luxury, good life, rich taste, and a lot of travel time together. So it's all looking very good, Pisces. Maybe certain complaints you both have with each other or have more to do with having said something too many times than it really being a problem. So this is how I see the guidance, Pisces, for you and your love interest.